Today I'm showing you how to make incredibly tasty chickpea curry. All the condiments infused into chickpea make this curry very flavorful. To make curry base, you need chickpea, onion, garlic, ginger, pepper, and coriander. First, minced onion. Garlic and ginger. Chopped coriander. Chopped serrano pepper and red pepper. Drain chickpea liquid and save some liquid for sauce. I'm going to use 7 different condiments to make a delicious curry. Turn the heat on and pour a generous amount of avocado oil into a pan. Add garlic and ginger and stir until brown for about 1 minute. Now it's time to add onion, salt, and a little pepper, and constantly stir until onions are caramelized and golden for about 8 to 10 minutes. Onions are well caramelized and smell so sweet. Next, add chickpea and cayenne, turmeric, chili powder, nutritional yeast, paprika, red pepper powder, cumin, and stir until all the condiments are well incorporated into chickpea. Pour chickpea liquid and water into a pan. Add chicken bullion and cook for 10 minutes until curry is smooth and thickened. Add plum extract, peppers, coriander, and unsalted butter. Curry is rich and thickened and it smells so good. Pour curry over rice and sprinkle with coriander. Or eat chickpea curry with tortilla bread. This rich and flavorful chickpea curry is unbelievably delicious. Every bite you take is filled with amazing flavors. I'm hoping you cook this curry with my recipe and send me the photos of your cooking. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and leave a comment.